Alright, holiday hosts, let's nail that perfect slow cooker stuffing for your feast. This recipe is going to be a game changer for your holiday gatherings, freeing up your stove space and ensuring you have enough delicious stuffing for a crowd. Start with your ingredients. 1 cup of butter, 2 cups chopped onion, 2 cups chopped celery, 12 ounces sliced mushrooms, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 12 cups dry bread cubes, 1½ teaspoons salt, 1½ teaspoons dried sage, 1 teaspoon poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon dried marjoram, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 4½ cups chicken broth, and 2 large beaten eggs. Make sure you have everything prepped and ready to go before you start cooking. First, melt that cup of butter in a skillet over medium heat. The butter will add a rich, savory flavor to your stuffing. Once it's melted, add in your chopped onion, celery, mushrooms, and parsley. These fresh vegetables will bring a wonderful aroma and texture to your stuffing. Stir and cook until slightly softened, about 5 to 8 minutes. This step is crucial to ensure the vegetables are tender and flavorful. Now grab a very large mixing bowl. You'll need plenty of space to mix all the ingredients together. Throw in your 12 cups of dry bread cubes. The bread cubes will soak up all the delicious flavors from the vegetables and seasonings. Spoon those delicious buttery veggies over the bread cubes. Make sure to get all that buttery goodness into the bowl. Season it all up with 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of dried sage, 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of dried marjoram, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. These spices will give your stuffing that classic holiday flavor. Next, pour in enough chicken broth to moisten the mixture. The broth will help bind everything together and keep the stuffing moist. Then mix in the 2 beaten eggs. The eggs will act as a binder, helping the stuffing hold its shape. It's time to transfer this mixture to your slow cooker. Make sure to spread it out evenly so it cooks uniformly. Cover it up and cook on high for 45 minutes. This initial high heat will help set the stuffing. Then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for 4 to 8 hours. This slow cooking process will allow all the flavors to meld together beautifully. And there you have it, perfect slow cooker stuffing. The stuffing should be golden brown on top and moist inside. Serve it up and watch your guests dive in. This stuffing is sure to be a hit at your holiday table. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us bring you more delicious recipes. This slow cooker stuffing is a game changer for holiday gatherings, freeing up your stove space and ensuring you have enough for a crowd. Plus, it keeps your stuffing warm and ready to serve whenever you are. Enjoy!